Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing $50 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $50 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. Forex broker $50 no deposit bonus 2024. Bonus summary. Broker name, Forex. Available for new traders. Validity date, the 31st of December 2024. Bonus amount, $50. No deposit CFD bonus by Forex, regulated by FSC. Start with a free credit of $50 to test the financial services. Open a trading account and receive a bonus for using a social trading platform. Trade stocks, crypto and ETFs with bonus credits and explore global trading instruments. Forex $50 no deposit bonus. Register an account. Verify the personal details. Get a bonus of $50. Cash out. Unknown condition. Forex no deposit bonus. Terms. General terms and conditions apply. The offer is only for the new clients of the company. This offer may be terminated at any time without such notice. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. Disclaimer. I am not able to provide any financial advice. Forex trading can be risky, so please do your own research before you invest any money.